Tiniyak ng Philippine Coast Guard na hindi magpapasindak sa China. Kasunod yan ng panibagong insidente kung saan binomba nila ulit ng tubig ang supply vessel ng Pilipinas.
Chiki, naitala rin ang pinakamaraming bilang ng barko ng China na namataan malapit sa Ayungin Shoal. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Julie Baiza.
Sa kabila ng panibagong insidente ng pambobomba ng water cannon ng Chinese vessels sa resupply vessels ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea, idadaan pa rin daw ng bansa sa payapa at legal na paraan ang pagharap sa issue. Umabot na sa 38 Chinese vessels ang nakadeploy malapit sa Ayungin Shoal ayon sa Philippine Coast Guard. Kasunod yan ang panibagong insidente ng pambobomba ng water cannon ng China at pagharang sa routine resupply and rotation mission ng Pilipinas sa Ayungin Shoal nitong Biyernes, Nobyembre 10. Ayon sa PCG, 11 sa Chinese vessels ang tumulong sa pagharang sa RORE mission.
Well, there were 5 China Coast Guard vessels who actively participated in blocking the Philippine effort in doing the resupply operation. It was also supported by 6 Chinese maritime militia vessels. So in total, there were 11 of them.
Sa kabutihang palad, hindi naman daw tinamaan ang water cannon ng ML Kalayaan ship ng Pilipinas. Pero banat ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, irresponsable ang naging hakbang ng China.
Yes, it did not hit, but the mere firing of that water cannon is an irresponsible act committed by the China Coast Guard.
Okay.
That is not acceptable. Whether it hit our vessel or not, it is not proper. It is irresponsible act of China Coast Guard.
Kaya't asahan daw na patuloy na magpapadala ng diplomatic protest ang bansa.
We are doing everything that are legal and that is peaceful in addressing issues, even yung the hostile activities of China. And in the Armed Forces of the Philippines, as we perform our role mission, we shall provide them with the information they need. So we can expect continuous filing of diplomatic protests.
Asahan rin daw na patuloy ang RORE mission ng Pilipinas sa Ayungin Shoal.
Ayungin falls within the exclusive economic zone of our country. Regardless how many resupply operations that we carry out, we have all the reason to carry out this mission. Regardless of how many vessels they throw at us, no matter how provocative or kahit ano pang harassment ang gawin nila, the Philippine Coast Guard will still support the Armed Forces of the Philippines in completing our resupply mission.
Mobile Journal, Julie Baiza, hatid ang mukha ng balita.
Gusto mo bang lagi kang updated sa mga balita? Aba, simple lang. Mag-subscribe ka na dito sa 1PH. I-click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell para hindi ka nahuhuli sa mga balitang dapat mong malaman.